Welcome students. Now let us continue with our lesson number 5 using basic functions in MS Excel video part 4. Now let us see what is the difference between a function and a formula. A function is a predefined formula that you see in MS Excel. These are the formulas which are predefined. The functions are applied using function names and keywords that are present in MS Excel. A formula, which we write here generally, is an equation designed by a user. When creating a formula, the user applies the mathematical operators available with available values. Now, some of the basic formulas are like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, power, and percent. Okay. Now, let us see what are the type of predefined functions that we have. First and foremost, let's see the mathematics and trigonometric functions. The many complicated mathematical formulas are saved as functions in MS Excel, which you can see here. Okay, there are logarithmic functions also, there are mathematical functions also. See, there's a product, quotient, radians, power, all these functions that you see here. Also, there are trigonometric functions like sine, cos. Can you see sine here? Sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, if you remember. Or probably you're too young to know all this, but these trigonometric functions are available here. Now, next comes the financial functions. In financial functions, we have a lot of functions here, but most used function is FV function. Now, what does this FV function do? It returns the future value of a certain investment based on the interest rate per period. The number of periods, the value of investment, the number of payments per period, all this is calculated using FV. So, very important function. Now, statistical functions are also available, which include minimum, maximum functions, etc. Then there are logical functions. Here you see. The logical functions are and, if a value returns to false or a value returns to true, or not, if error, or you can insert your own function from here. Okay. Some function that you want to use, you can use it from here. Okay. Now next are textual functions. Now in text, let us see what can we see in the text. In the text, you have this ln. Ln is meant for the length of the text. Then there is upper and concatenate. Now upper will return all the value in the text as capitals, whereas concatenate combines two or more strings of characters. Okay. Then comes date and time. Okay. So here you have date, number of days you can calculate, month, minute, hour, seconds, weekdays, year. Okay. So all these calculations with respect to days, date, time, all can be set from here. Okay. Now days 360 is a very important function which we use here. Okay. Now this is going to provide you with a current date on the system, and days 360 function is going to provide you with the number of days between two dates based on a 360-day year calendar. Then comes lookup and reference. Okay. Now these functions are used to find and refer to elements within the worksheet. For example, of such a function is lookup, which identifies a cell reference based on the row number and the column number. Okay. Now let's take a break here and then we'll continue in the next class.